Hello guys, this is Sumit Gupta, your trusted realtor from Sydney. How are you doing? I hope you are keeping well and safe in these tough times. Today in this video, I'm going to touch and try to debunk a narrative which a lot of people say in real estate that apartments do not grow in value. I'm not agreeing with that based on my experience and understanding. Let me share some of the information which I found in internet and also like to show how a narrative can be changed by by presenting the same information in two different ways. So let me start with that. I found this article from abc.net.au which was published on 21st of April 2021. The article says unit prices fall in many cities suburbs amid house-led real estate boom. So it means that unit prices are falling in many cities despite there's a boom in the house prices. I'm just going to touch the key points here. Okay, the house prices have risen 7.4% in past year, much faster than unit prices, which is plus 2.3%. Isn't it contradicting? Now let me go back to another article which I'm sharing on the screen as well. This was published by the same abc.net.au on the 1st of May 2021. And they write here, unit prices rise in Australia's international cities despite rental slump. Again, they're going to share the same information here, but presenting it along with some other information. But they're saying that again, while Australia's median house price jumped 7.4% in year to March 31, unit prices jumped 2.3% according to data from CoreLogic. Isn't it like they're presenting the same information? Two absolutely different headlines which can confuse the investors and their mindset unless they go through every bit of these two articles and decide where to invest. So guys, don't go with narrative, go with numbers. That's what I mean to say. And now I'm going to tell you why I think that this narrative is wrong, that unit prices do not increase in value. For that, I'm going to touch an article which was published by Sydney Morning Herald in January this year. And I'm just straight going to go to the graph which is Sydney house prices versus unit prices. If you look here, okay, and this is just the median values, okay, so we see a constant increase in the houses from December 2009 all the way to July 2017, June 2017. So the graph, two things very clear from this thing, that both units and houses prices increase. Number two, they're pretty much constant, but when the boom really hit in June 2017, the difference is quite wide by that time. But when there was a market was not doing good after June 2017 to March 2019, the houses took a major hit as compared to units. Now again, to prove my statement that I don't agree with that, let's see what were the prices in December of what was the median value in December 2009. The median value of apartment was $430,000 approximately, whereas for houses it was $606,000. Now if we go all the way after 11 years, the house prices are around $1.2 million and the unit's median price is around $730,000. We can clearly see that units, even though I agree that houses have performed better than the units, but we can clearly agree that both have increased in value, and houses have shown approximately 9% growth a year, whereas units have shown a growth of approximately 7% a year. So they both increased. So having a narrative or mindset in the mindset that units don't grow in value is not correct. Now, also I'm going to tell you how the investors who invested in units have probably made the same amount of money over the last 10 years. Let me give you an example. Units have better rental yield. as an investor, you can charge higher depreciation, so it means you're going to pay less tax. Whereas in houses, there's a better capital growth, but they don't have a better rental yield, number one. Number two, they don't have that much of the depreciation proportion on the property, overall property, is less as compared to units. To simplify, let me give you an example. Let me say somebody buy a house of $1.2 million, 4-bedroom house, 2 bath, 2 garage, double garage, and so on. Other person buys 2 apartments, each costing around $550,000 to $600,000. I'm giving the prices in the suburb where I live in. So these are the prices going on here. So I can give you a comparison based on my information, based on the knowledge I have. The 4-bedroom house in this area generally rents out for around $650 to $700 a week. All right. The 2-bedroom apartment in this area costing $550,000 will rent you around $460 a week. Now, as an investor who invested $1.2 million in one house is going to pay $1,000 to $1,200 more per month to maintain the installments, whereas the investor who invested in 2 units in the same area is not going to pay that much money from his pocket. In fact, most of these expenses will be taken care by the rent he's getting. On the top of that, if you look at the depreciation factor, let's say $1.2 million house, your land value is around $700,000. You build $500,000 house on the top of that. So you can charge the depreciation on $500,000. In the unit of $550,000, you're going to charge probably interest depreciation or on the proper approximately value of $450,000. It's a rough estimate, guys. Please consult the professionals who can help you with that. I'm just trying to give an idea here. So $450,000 each unit. So you're going to charge a depreciation on $900,000 of your investment, whereas in house you're going to charge the depreciation only on $500,000 on your investment. Okay. In long run, the person on the apartments who has invested in apartments would be able to save more money in tax as compared to houses. But you're going to save more money in taxes and you have a better rental income. Whereas in houses, it's not the case. Houses will definitely have better capital growth. So again, the choice is yours. If you think I have said anything wrong, please let me know. Before I finish this video, let me just share one more article which I came across today morning. That was from domain.com.au, and the article's heading is Sydney apartment prices gaining momentum as affordability bites. Which means because there's an increase in the house and land values so drastic, and the price difference between apartments and houses is so wide that people are now going to buy more apartments as compared to before, especially the home buyers, which means the unit prices will increase. This has always been seen, according to what I have studied so far, that the increase in house and land will pull the value of apartments in long run. Guys, have a good day, take care and stay safe. Let me know what you think. Please share, please comment here, and let's learn from each other. Have a good day. Take care.